What's going on, guys? It's Free to Culture. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Yeezy Foam Runner Vermillion Reds. But the question is, does the hype match up to the quality of the shoe? And the answer is kind of. I'm going to explain later in the video, but keep in mind, you're wearing a bright red shoe. Bright red may not go with every outfit, guys, and that hurts me because red is my favorite color. And I thought these were going to be my favorite Yeezy, but I was mistaken to a degree. So let's go ahead and start by unboxing these beautiful shoes. The box is kind of weird. It's kind of like designed like with the inside out kind of concept, but still whatever. All right, guys. You got your beautiful red foam runners, so let's go ahead and take these out of the box. These are a great pair of shoes when the outfit allows them to be great. So let's go ahead and get an up-close view on these beautiful red foam runners. So, as usual with the foam runner design, there are holes all over the shoe. You got 3 holes on the side, holes along the side, holes on the top, holes on the other side. You've seen a foam runner before, you know what to expect, guys. They're definitely on the brighter side. They're closer to a traditional red than a crimson. Easy slip-on shoe. You got the hole on the top. These shoes are perfect for the summer. I say this in every foam runner video. These shoes are super breathable, super comfortable, and they're just easy to slip on and off. That's the appeal of the foam runners. They are the high fashion comfort shoe. If you look at the bottom of this shoe, you're gonna see a couple of ridges. You should see an Adidas logo on the inside of this hole right here at the bottom. But overall, this is the shoe, guys. These are the ones you're paying for. And they're beautiful. I mean, the design of these shoes is amazing. It looks different than any other foam runner there is out there. I will give these shoes that. They definitely have the most bold design compared to any foam runner, and that includes the MX series that have those swirl patterns. This red is powerful. It is a powerful, bold shoe. So, if this is the first foam runner model for you, these shoes are super comfortable. I know it's why you guys look towards the Yeezy brand, because shoes are really comfortable, and these are the most comfortable model there is out there. They're great because they're an evolution of loungewear. You can wear them chill, you can dress them up. I wear these shoes to work all the time. They will adapt to the shape of your foot, which is great. You need that out of a shoe, especially people that are working a lot. These shoes are great for you. These shoes are just hard to wear because they're so bright and red. Like when you wear them, oh boy, you wear them. They snap, like it's it. But when you're just trying to put these on just for the sake of, I want to wear these today, you're going to be disappointed more oftentimes than you are satisfied. And I hate to say that about these shoes because they really are awesome, but if this is your first foam runner, or if you don't have any other shoes besides these, it's going to be so hard to wear these, guys. You're going to see that in the outfit section. I'll try to show you guys some like not so great outfits, but I'm telling you, this shoe is really hard to style. Especially if you like versatility. Like oftentimes I find myself leaning towards black because black and red always go together, and I want to just try to experiment with these shoes more often, break the norm, and it's so hard with this bold red color, guys. It is always going to be a statement. And on top of that, it's a foam runner, so people are already trying to figure out what the hell is on your feet. And now you got this bright red statement. So there's no like, oh man, this fits like mid, it's a 7. No, these are red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. Like these shoes need the right outfit. There is no, okay, this is just a casual fit, you know what I mean? Like I'm not really trying to expect much in this. It's just, you know, something I threw on. No. You have to plan for these shoes. Trust me, buddy. There is some thought, there's a formula, there is a process to putting these on your feet. And if you're not willing to go through that process every single time, I really want to recommend these shoes because people have overhyped these. I'm saying that, and I wanted a pair of these really bad. People overhyped the Vermillion Red because it was the first red Yeezy, and plus it's a foam runner. They were cheap to get, so people bought these and they're reselling them for like $300+. Don't do it. I just cannot recommend that you pay $300 for these. Like I'm telling you guys this from experience. I have about 15 pairs of Yeezys, and this is my second least worn pair off the top of my head. The only pair of shoes I think I wear less than these are my desert boots. And that's a review for itself. They're great shoes, but there are certain shoes you just can't wear every single day, dude. And Foam Runner Vermillion Red, unfortunately, falls in that category. And real quick, I don't know if this is something like unique to the Foam Runner Vermillion Red, because if you look on the inside here, I don't know if you guys can see, these shoes were made in the United States, and most foam runners are made in China, right? Something I noticed about these shoes is like this weird peeling on the side. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't seen this in any other foam runner where, like, I don't know, like the foam kind of peels a little bit. It's very weird. Now, I'm probably gonna shock a lot of you guys for saying this, but I did get these shoes from StockX, and please say in the comments about them being reps or them being fakes. But I just wanted to point this out to you guys that, like, if you buy these, pay attention to the quality. You know, try to get some pictures of these if you're buying them used, because they might have the same issue. And if you're willing to buy these for resale, that might be a point of negotiation to get a cheaper price. So look at the quality of the holes in these shoes sometimes, because they kind of slip. With all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend that you guys wait on these shoes, just so you know, like, I don't think you should be paying $300+ for these. A sizing recommendation, go a full size up, quick version of it. It saves your toes, guys. These shoes run small and they don't run half sizes, so I wear an 11, I got a 12. That's the decision I made for myself, guys. If you want more info, check out that video I recommended earlier in the video. Trust me, guys, it breaks my heart to say that these shoes aren't really what I expected. Like, they are, but they just aren't as versatile as some other foam runner models. I'm happy to have these in my collection. I enjoy having red shoes. You guys see my red straps over here. Red's my favorite color, and even if I'm biased like that, I still can't recommend you guys get these shoes for $300+ unless you're really into the sneaker game. You got other shoes and you're just getting this just to get them, but you're not going to get as much wear out of these shoes, guys. So be prepared for that. Other than that, let me know what you guys thought of the review. Do you guys have these shoes? You plan on copying them? What are your thoughts about the shoes? Almost at 1,000 as of the recording of this video, guys. So once again, I appreciate you guys for rocking with your boy for the past like 3+ years. I really enjoy getting on here, making sneaker outfit content, and you know, I'm just trying to help you guys make conscious decisions with your money, because
I can't tell you how to see me. Just a cage of bones, there's nothing inside. Will it always be burning down the walls? Is there a way for me to break? I'm a sharpshooter at Paul's masquerade, hiding both face and mind, all free for you to draw. I'm a sharpshooter, have no face to show. Please don't take off my mask, my disguise.
I hope you guys are doing well, staying blessed, staying healthy, eating right, you know, taking care of your mental. Those are super important things too, because this material stuff will one day fade, so you gotta take care of yourself, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I will catch you in the next video. Peace. I hope you guys are doing well, staying blessed, staying healthy, eating right, you know, taking care of your mental. Those are super important things too, because this material stuff will one day fade, so you gotta take care of yourself, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.